One day, two brown bears went to the forest for berries. Baby Bear was small and shy, and Papa Bear was big and strong. When they came back home, Baby Bear knocked on the door. T, t, t. But nobody opened the door. Then Papa Bear knocked on the door. D, d, d. And Mama Bear opened the door. Poor Baby Bear. His mom didn't hear him knock. T, t, t. But she heard when Papa Bear knocked. D, d, d. I wonder why. Let's try to figure out how to pronounce t and d. T and d are pronounced in similar ways, but we don't use our voice to say t, and we use our voice to say d. Look, when I say t, my tongue touches my teeth, and I breathe out. T, t, t. It's like a puff of air. Listen. T. Tiger. Potato. Cat. Meat. And now, let's compare it with d. D, d, d. I also put my tongue to my teeth, but I don't just blow the air, I make a sound, very loud. D, d, d. Listen. Dog. Duck. Candy. Spider. Bird. Friend. Okay, now let's say them all together. T, d, d, t. Now your turn. Well done. Now let's practice. Listen and repeat. Bat, bad. Sat, sad. Had, hat. Kite, kind. Well done. Let's read them in sentences. A bat is sad. Oh, don't feel bad. He sat and said, hi. She had a hat. He had a kite. My cat is kind. Okay, friends, now you know the difference, and I'm sure you can help me with the next exercise. I have a lot of words, and I don't know which letter to use. T or d. Can you help me? And. What is the right option? This one or this one? And with a d. Great job! Foot. Foot. Is this the right option? Or is this the right option? Foot with a T. Excellent work. Two. Two. This is the right option. Two. Well done. Dry. D, dry. Dry with a D. Good job. Now you know why Mama Bear didn't open the door when Baby Bear knocked. Baby Bear is small and shy, and when he knocked, it made the sound t, t, t. But when Papa Bear, big and strong, knocked on the door, it was very loud. D, d, d. And Mama Bear opened the door. Now you can hear it too, right? Novakid. T or D? Novakid. D. Novakid. Remember the name because it's the best place to learn English. Join us today.